Hi guys, today I'll be showing you how to publish a card website. So in order to do this, first of all, navigate to any browser on a PC, go to the search bar and type in card. Then navigate to the site that is card.co. After you click on this site, you will see a UI that will look something like this. Here, you'll have to click on choose a starting point. When you click on choose a starting point, this is going to open up this page where you'll have the option to choose from all, profile, landing, form, portfolio, and sectioned. You'll have to just go ahead and choose any one of these sites by clicking on select. You can also start from a blank page and customize your site. Now after you have successfully customized your site, you'll have to simply click on this publish this site button at the top right of the screen in order to publish your website. Now at the left corner of your screen, you will see some fields appearing. Here you'll have to enter the title, that is the site's title, and what gets shown at the top of the browser's window. Click on the title option and choose your site's title. Now navigate to descriptions and enter a brief description of your site. What's usually used in bookmarks, search engine listings, etc. So enter the description and scroll down. Now you'll be navigated to the action page where you will have four options. The first option is publish to a card.co URL. Second one is publish to a custom domain. Third one is save as a template. And the fourth one is save as an online draft. So you can choose from any one of these options. Then you will see a field appearing. Here you'll have to enter the name of your website. Then click on this URL section at the right and choose what kind of URL you want. So you'll have some URLs logged up. You'll have to upgrade to a pro plan in order to get them for you. So we'll choose card.co and click on publish. Now after you click on publish, this is quickly going to publish your card website and it will show a pop-up message saying done. Site successfully published to this URL. You can click on view site and see how your site is looking like online. So that's how you publish a card website. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.